I told you the true soundtrack of India isn't just music, but a hidden symphony you've never heard before?
I'm in Jaipur in one of the tiniest market lanes. You think you know chaos? Wait till you hear it. There are scooters trying to squeeze through, vendors calling out prices, bells, horns, everything at once. It smells like spices and incense, and I have to keep moving or I'll be in the way.
Every corner has its own rhythm. The chop of a knife, the clink of metal, the cry of a seller. It's more than noise. It's layers of life stacked on top of each other, perfectly unplanned. Listen closely. You'll find rhythm even in the rustle of spice bags or the crackle of a fryer. Here's in Baypast, here's a bustling.
This is the unexpected symphony of India's markets. No instruments, just life.
Maybe chaos isn't meant to be silenced. Maybe it's meant to be heard. If this opened your ears, imagine what else India can make you feel. Like, share, and follow for more stories hidden in plain sound.